So now, since we are already connected to the Wi-Fi, let's set up the repeater. So here we choose the device mode as Wi-Fi, and we will choose the work mode as normal repeater as we're connecting it to the another router. And then in the LAN, we'll skip it automatic. Then here we need to set up our primary router's network. Okay, so we'll choose from the wireless network section, so it's auto field. Okay, we put the password and then rest config as per your setup. I think it's has to be default, and we click on next. Now let's set up the network name. So I will keep for myself as the repeater, and then you can choose your own password. Choose your password and then click on next. Here this is the password for the web interface, which is the login for D-Link setup. Okay, so we will choose any random password here as per your convenience. You can choose yours and you go to the next. So you can verify the config and apply. So now your repeater, which is your new repeater, it will restart, okay, with the new settings, and you'll be able to see it in your Wi-Fi section in a mobile. So now in the network section, as you see, you have the new repeater as the Wi-Fi. So I had already created once before, so I will forget password and try to see it again. So here, as you see, you see a new repeater, okay, and you connect to it. So alternatively, you can also use a Ethernet cable to connect to your system and then put the same IP address and do the configuration. So this is an alternate approach. Okay, I think it doesn't make much sense, but if you would like to test or try, you can go for it. And that's it. You have your repeater set up now. Thank you for watching.